Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel! It's me, Hannibal Lack, and my son, DJ! Ngayon guys, magluluto ako ng turon at mostly kung magluluto ka ng turon, nilalagyan natin ng saging sa loob. But this time, I make turon with kamote inside. Kamote, sweet potato inside. So guys, stand by lang kayo dyan and I'll show you how to make it. Natin ay luto na. Ikunin na natin ito ngayon. Luto na yung sweet potato natin, guys. Ito na siya. Babalatan natin ito ngayon, guys, at saka babalatan natin at ismash natin.
So guys, nabalatan ko na ngayon yung sweet potato. Umuusok-usok pa. Ano ko lang, nakakuha ko lang sa kaldero. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon guys is smash natin tong sweet potato. Smash natin siya. Smash natin. Smash natin yung smash natin. Nabalat pa. So guys, habang gumagawa ako nito yung maliit ko. Nandito na sa gilid. Smash na natin yung sweet potato. Ganyan na yung itsura niya. Yan. Tapos, after natin na-smash yung potato guys, lagyan natin ng mga isang 1 spoon or kalahati nito na butter. Sorry guys, ang anak ko kasi ang kulit. Maliit ka na anak, ang liit sa gilid. Nandito na si husband to the rescue. Okay. Bye, DJ! Bye! Bye! So, ayan guys, nilagyan ko na ng butter. Yung butter, I think siguro ubusin ko na lang siya. Kasi hindi, para medyo, yung butter natin na gagamitin guys is salted butter. Salted butter. Mash lang ng mash. Ano siya guys? Mash lang ng mash. Maglagay tayo ng 2 tablespoon of condensed milk. So, konti lang guys kasi para hindi siya masyadong matamis. Konti lang. Siya. Halo natin. At lagyan natin guys ng vanilla. So yun na guys.
So guys, ready na natin balutin yung ating sweet potato turon. So guys, tapos na natin balot yung ating kamuti turon. Ngayon, pepretuhin na natin siya. Ayan guys, malapit ng mag-golden brown. So guys, ito na, luto na yung ating turon. Golden brown na siya. Ngayon may dalawang options tayo kung paano natin lalagyan ng ating what you call this, yung ating latek. Yung tawag dito yung, yeah. So guys, for the sauce, you need a 1/2 cup of brown sugar sa isang lata ng gata. Okay guys, bumula na yung gata natin. Lagay na natin ngayon yung ating brown sugar. So, for 1 can, 1/2 cup of sugar. Guys. Halo-halo lang siya guys hanggang mag-sticky. Hanggang maging pulot siya. Guys, hintayin mo siyang magpulot. Hintayin natin bumula. So, for our sauce, yung pulot natin, halo-haluin na natin hanggang matapos at maging sticky siya. Okay guys, so ayan na. Medyo malapot na yung pulot natin. Haluin lang ng haluin. Ayan siya.
Golden brown siya. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon, we have two options. It's either i-dip natin po sa ating latek or pwede din na i-add natin siya. I-tatay lang yung sauce. I'll show you guys. Yan. Tapos, i-dip natin.
Product natin. Ayan. And there's two options. It's either you're gonna do like this. You're gonna put the latte or the, I don't know how you call that. And you can dip it like this. Pwede mo siyang i-dip. Now, my daughter is with me. Say hi, Nak.
Hi!
Hi! You want, ano siya? Siya yung tester natin. Hold on. Ayan, Nak. Come here, Nak. Okay, hold on. Get this one. And siya yung tester natin. Tikman yung isa. Still hot. Be careful na ka, it's hot. Ay. Lumabas. Ayan. Try mo na. Let me try first. Very good. Which one you want? This one or with dip? This one you can dip like this.
I want to dip it. I never dipped it before.
Yeah.
I like the flavor of the sauce.
You like this one? So I have two options with this one. I dip it. I put all all of it. Ah.
With Nancy making just a drizzle.
Mm. Mm. Very good. You like it na? Mm.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Sarap siya. Just lang mainit pa. No. Masarap din ito yung dinidip siya.
Sarap.
What is it?
Sarap.
Sarap. Mmm. Mmm. Very
Sarap.
good. Mmm. Oh. Mmm. You want to say bye to everyone?
Bye. Have a good time.
Have a good day.
Have a good time.
What you say? What you say to mommy?
I said enough.
For the food.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
For the delicious food.
Okay, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel. Thank you and see you later.